We want corporate services to be up and about. Finance. We know that we've got a huge backlog to the tune of 148 million deficit, which we must aggressively cover. And we must say we are positive with the response of the public to pay government dues to the department to supply it. We must say that we want to congratulate and single out the Department of Economic Development upon our engagement with them. They paid more than 1 million. So our cash flows is in a healthy state, but we will improve with the community members who are paying, and we are calling all businesses that own the department, the state-owned enterprises, the public sector, the private sector, to please come to the party and pay so that all the programs that we have earmarked projects from internal funding, not from the MIC, not from the municipal infrastructure grant, we don't want to stall them. But if they fail to pay, we will compromise that, and that is not what we want. So for that position, we have appointed Councillor Onika Elma Matsibisho. Congratulations. You can see it's a second term on the post, so continuity is the principle that we are appointing. Now, with this huge illegal informal settlements all over Mushroom, we say that that will be discouraged. People must not illegally set up shacks. We will roll out a comprehensive program of ensuring that we address that challenge, because the problem when you erect illegal shacks, there's no water, there's no sanitation, there's no electricity, and that is not in the plan of the municipality. It constrains the limited resources. Then the culprits protest as if we are not delivering, as they were not in the plan. We will also be working very hard to ensure that the housing function comes back to the municipality, so that we accelerate the building of houses. We will be able to give the backlog of housing in the city in due course, after we've collected the stats, the states, so that we work on empirical evidence and data. We are also planning many other things that we will announce at a later stage. So for that, Councillor Roni Churelo Morwe is heading human settlement. Congratulations. Well, Central is the IDP and the budget PM. For that, we have given Michelle Nyameka Shush. We will be IDP in due course. Congratulations. And then intergovernmental relations, we have given it to Felicity Kruger, the IGR. Thank you very much. Then, the heartbeat of the economy, for us to get this water here, for us to get it, is logistics, is transport. So transport is the heartbeat of any economy in any country, in any world. So we've got to ensure that we've got proper transport systems in the city, and that the stormwater, we must ensure that the stormwater canals are all clean, because overgrown grass is all over. So for that responsibility, we have given it to no one else but Councillor Marina Williams. Congratulations. Then with regard to your Hofa pump stations and all your strategic utilities, we have given it to a young chair, a young councillor, Temba Kong. You will be ready utilities trading services. Now, as you understand, yeah, there's my passion, sorry, but yeah, there's my passion. Well, we are comfortable that if you check the stats last year, national stats, the safest city in the country is sort of like East Kingdom. That's what the stats are saying, it's not me. So we've got to sustain that a record of being the safest city in the country. with rollout programs. We know there are drugs all over the city. We've got to attend to that. So for that responsibility of safety and security in the city is Councillor Obake Benjamin Plaid. Ladies and gentlemen, that is in a nutshell the sweet and short of our announcement today. The key focus I must emphasize, one, is that we are aware and we are the first to acknowledge that we are facing challenges and we are striving by all means to handle them. One, the sewer problems. Two, the potholes, housing, supply of water, the water outages at night, highlighting the next council meeting for the year ahead. We will be focusing on all those things. Now I have announced the mayoral committee. They will hit the ground running so that all the council meetings, committees, they set and everything. That brings us to the conclusion of the press briefing on the announcement of the mayoral committee. Thank you.
Do we have any questions that side from members of the media? Revival FM, the DFACA, and the Fourth Blood. Shavnai?
Your finances. I want to know the finances. You have many plans, but those plans depend on the finances and the money. Should be able to execute because we know that you are a cost-cutting program at the moment. I see there's a street light in my street that is there's no light on it, and I don't expect it to be like people don't understand that. Are you only getting the money that you didn't get with 260 So what is your living plan?
Okay. Is it to and fro or must I take all of them?
Which how do you want it?
One at a time.
All right, sure.
Okay, thanks very much. Well, we must say that our finances are in a precarious position. And this is as a result of the